Namaste and hello, this is your Sanskrit instructor welcoming you back into lesson number 15. In lesson number 14, we should have emailed our last assignment, our first assignment actually, to mdg.sanskrit@gmail.com, and so that you can get feedback as how well you are doing, and we can monitor your progress in this course, and then we could give you feedback so that you can make improvements. So in lesson number 14, what we were doing in assignment number 1, we were combining different consonants, whether it was a consonant with an abbreviated vowel or it was a consonant with another half consonant. So now we're going to focus more in this lesson on combining more sounds together. But in this case, we're going to focus on the letter ra, because ra sometimes could be written differently when it comes before or after a consonant. So the first 3 examples that I have here, and remember this is ra. Ra is coming after our first consonants here. And it becomes this letter, which we'll be going over, and this is pronounced as mra, tra, bra. Now, in these here at the end, it is the ra comes before the consonant, so this is pronounced as rk or rit, okay? Because the ka is coming after the half ra. And notice again that the ra has a halant at the end. So it's not rak, it's ruk at the end of this equation. And in the second equation, it is rit and not rat. Okay? There's a difference. Now, let's go over the rule again. So ra is written differently when it comes before or after a consonant. So let's make a note of that. When it comes after a consonant, when the ra comes after a consonant, you write the consonant and then the line that represents the ra goes right underneath it. Now, when it becomes before that consonant, like the last 2 examples, what would happen is that you would need to write out your consonant and then have your half ra be represented as a hook on the top. I have some examples and I will show that to you. So this says mra. So I have M-R-A, mra. And let's just draw that together. Mra. So we're just writing a ma as usual, and then putting a line under there. Excuse my handwriting. Then we have tra. Let me just make that line more level. Then we have tra, which basically looks like a backwards K. Then we have pra. So we're writing a pa, and look, the line that represents the ra is at the bottom. Now, for these last 2, we have ruk, ruka, and then we have rita, okay? Ruka is, remember, it's not raka, it's ruka. So that is writing a regular ka, and then we're going to put a hook on top of that. Now, for rita, we're going to write the ta, regular ta, and then we're going to put a hook on top of that. Okay? If you have any questions regarding this, just send an email through mdg.sanskrit@gmail.com. Other than that, it should be pretty much straightforward. Note, anytime when you see a line, then that means that you're pronouncing the other consonant first. When you're seeing, and the ra is being pronounced last. When you're seeing the hook, make sure that you're pronouncing that first before you are pronouncing the actual consonant. So r, ka, r, ta. Okay? So other than that, it should be straightforward, and I will see you in the next lesson. This is your Sanskrit instructor signing off, and namaste.